might not know me, but then, I'm a cool guy. I have muscles and I'm a man. All these men out here nowadays are so pervert attitude, but then I am not like that. My mother has always told me that, life is once and love in life should also be once. And I believe her. I've been waiting for one beautiful angel to be my partner. I know it's really hard. A lot of girls have asked me out, but then I just don't feel anything special with them. They're all the same, Aishwarya, Katrina, Bipasha. They're just not worth it. But then I feel there's something really cool about you. And I really would like you to be mine. Would you be mine? Because I'm the man.
Why do you have to keep saying you're a man? You seem to be stressing on the man part quite a bit.
Man. Okay, and you can impress Mr. Akhilesh. Okay, 60 seconds on the stage. It's all yours.
Sir, so as a part of it, I dedicate this song to you. अगर तुम मिल जाओ ज़माना छोड़ देंगे हम अगर तुम मिल जाओ ज़माना छोड़ देंगे हम तुम्हें पाकर ज़माने भर से रिश्ता तोड़ देंगे हम अगर तुम मिल जाओ.
Okay, that is 60 seconds.
Madi jao.
Okay, you escaped with the hair on your ass, man. Seriously. Okay, that was our fourth round, our first surprise round in which they virtually went under the knife and transformed themselves into their male and female avatars. Now, it's time we move down to real high octane.
Dude, aren't we supposed to skin these people alive?
I was about to say that.
Yeah, start off.
Skinning them alive. Oh yeah, I forgot. So welcome to our newest round. It's called the Slaughterhouse.
It's the Slaughterhouse for these six on stage.
As this name suggests, this round is gonna be too cruel, and we ensure you that they get smacked, whacked, packed, and bottled, and we'll shit served.
Okay, he's a little high on adrenaline and on caffeine too.
That is what we meant by high octane adrenaline.
Okay, and this is the classic judges round. And the prelims papers that these six wrote to get on stage is with these judges. And they're gonna literally chop them into little pieces and bury them alive for whatever they've written over there.
Their dirty minds will be exposed right here, right now.
Their rotten interiors will be exposed and the rosy outer coverings will be whipped.
So now we hand things over to our judges.
Konnere.
Those who know to take the bull by the horns survive. For others, it's their doomsday.
Okay, so you're ready for the last laugh? Everybody? Who do you want up first?
So judges, who do you want up first?
Who do you want to kill first?
Anyone who wants to go up first.
The Kazakh!
Yeah, he's tired of his life. He wants to die as fast as possible.
That is what we mean by Kazakh.
Guys, that was a trick question.
Gives his life for the country.
Guys, that was a trick question.
Kazakhs die for the country.
That was a trick question. That was a trick question. One gets to go first. That was a trick question. One gets to go first.
Contestant number one gets to go first. Hee. So there's another jackass in the stage.
Hi.
Hello.
In your second question, you've written, what's your idea of a perfect match and give your turn-ons and turn-offs. On your turn-ons, you've written good looking, good at heart and financially at a good position.
Yeah,
So
at
yes,
least has money.
So money turns you on.
It does to some extent, yes. I would want my perfect match to look after me perfectly and give me all the wealth, all the comforts of life. So he has to have money.
Okay, ma'am, what are these comforts that you expect money to give you?
No, on our anniversaries, take us to some 5-star hotel, not any small hotel, and give me holidays abroad and all that. So you need money for all that. So that's why, properly.
What are you gonna give for all the money?
What am I going to give?
Yeah.
For?
All this money?
What am I going to give for all this money?
Yes.
I'm going to give my beauty, my attitude, my talent.
No. Yeah. The thing is, you give what you have, not what you don't.
So I do believe Sir, I do believe that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So obviously the person I'm going to get married to will believe that I look good. And I personally think I look good. So in my own ways, I do look good.
Okay, so you are expecting a blind, rich man to take you out.
I'm expecting, I heard the rich part, so I didn't hear the part before.
Blind. B-L-I-N-D.
No,
Blind.
no, he's not going to be blind, sir. I'm beautiful in my own ways.
But he doesn't know that.
He knows that. He will know that, sir. I'll make him know that.
That is how.
That's how we'll go on dates. I'll prove how good I am. I'll be in a good position as well, so he'll get some power from my side as well. Mutually.
Good position, bole. What position?
Some good position like an IAS officer, something like that. What I'm aiming for.
He is not financial. IAS officers are not financially at the top of the flagpole,
Yes, sir.
right?
I would be an IAS officer. I could give him power and he would give me money, so it's mutually balanced.
So how much of money are you looking at?
Not much.
How much?
Maybe around 5-6 crores. Would be fine.
Monthly?
Not monthly, yearly. Monthly would be too much.
Okay, just one thing. You want to be an IAS officer and you will go for money. What kind of an IAS officer is that?
Because, so why wouldn't an IAS officer go for money? An IAS officer has power and she's a civil servant.
An IAS officer goes for 20,000 rupees a month.
Yeah, but then, so that's why I want to marry a rich person.
Ah.
So as an IAS officer, I wouldn't get much money. So I would want to marry a rich position. And I believe if I'm at a high position, any rich man would definitely look this side once in a while.
Ma'am, I was told by the previous judges that you are a liar.
Want me to comment on that?
Yes.
Actually, they asked me to dance. And then I was dancing, but I was not singing the song aloud. So they asked me to do that too. So I said I'll hum. And they asked me which movie. So I hadn't meant to do a movie. But then in the split second when it came out was the tune of Dhoom Machale. So that's why they called me a liar.
Okay. And what is your name?
It's L. Gopika Murthy.
Okay. Do you always mention the L?
It's very, very, very special to me.
Do you always mention the L?
Yeah, I always mention it.
So everybody who calls you is like L Gopika hi, L Gopika
Yeah,
bye.
yes. Yeah, you could ask them. I generally go after people. Don't forget the L. Don't forget the L. Indo?
Excuse me, your idea of a perfect match. Two people who look good.
Two people who look good together. That's one is me and the other is a match.
The other is a?
My perfect match. Whoever he is.
So what is that?
See, when people see the bridal photo, they should say, oh, made for each other.
But you want others to ogle both of you, is it?
Huh?
You want others to ogle at them. That's
Yes.
what you've written. Why,
Yes.
why is that so important, Gopika?
It's important because it gives you a good feeling and I believe it'll give a sense of togetherness as though we are an awesome team.
So you enjoy people ogling you, is it? Does it
I
give
said
you-
me and my partner, not me alone.
What if it is only you, even if you are with your partner?
Oh, yeah, I'm going out with my partner and people are ogling only at me.
Yeah.
That won't happen. I'll choose a super, super handsome guy to go marry.
Okay. So, that is your criteria. So that is your criteria.
Well, actually, the criteria is the person who my parents choose for me, but then I always get the final say. So, I should
Oh,
get
your
the...
parents will like put out a matrimonial ad saying, I want all the handsome men for my daughter.
What, my parents?
Yeah.
No, they